V196 Pro Drone Review, an 8K dual-camera quadcopter with smart features. Introducing the V196 Pro Drone, a feature-packed 4-axis RC quadcopter designed for dynamic aerial photography and an engaging flight experience. This UAV stands out with its 8K dual professional aerial photography HD dual camera, Wi-Fi FPV, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. It's engineered to be an exciting toy and a capable tool for capturing impressive footage. Next-level imaging with 8K dual cameras and electrically adjustable lens. Despite some listed specifications indicating 1080p, the V196 Pro prominently features an 8K dual camera setup, allowing for high-resolution aerial photography. The electrically adjustable lens, with 90 degrees remote control, offers flexibility in framing your shots from different perspectives, and the ability for remote-free switching of perspectives is a significant convenience. While the primary resolution is hinted at 1080p, the 8K branding suggests advanced processing or interpolation for higher quality visuals. Beauty shooting is also a listed feature, implying built-in image enhancement. The drone also supports real-time image transmission for immersive FPV directly to your device via a high-definition Wi-Fi signal. Intelligent flight system for ease and safety. The V196 Pro is equipped with a comprehensive flight system that includes optical flow positioning for stable hovering, especially indoors. Its intelligent obstacle avoidance system, utilizing radar avoidance, provides an extra layer of safety by detecting and helping to avoid potential collisions. While it does not include integrated propeller guards, the radar system offers a smart approach to obstacle detection. Powerful performance with brushless motors and long endurance. Driven by robust brushless motors, the V196 Pro delivers strong, efficient, and durable performance, providing better wind resistance, up to less than 10 km/h, and a longer lifespan compared to brushed motor drones. The drone is powered by an 1,800 mAh rechargeable lithium body battery, offering an approximate 20 minutes of flight time. The battery takes about 90 minutes to charge. With a substantial remote control distance of up to 500 meters, you have ample range to explore and capture extensive aerial scenes. Smart control and flight modes. Control the V196 Pro effortlessly via the dedicated app controller, enabling various intelligent flight features. It supports one-click takeoff and landing for easy operation. Embrace creative flight with trajectory flight, where you can draw a path on your screen for the drone to follow. Gravity induction allows for intuitive control by tilting your mobile device, and headless mode simplifies orientation, making it easier for beginners to fly. For content creators, MV production and gesture photography add fun and convenient ways to capture unique moments. Compact and portable design. The V196 Pro drone has dimensions of 30 by 30 by 26 centimeters, making it a medium-sized quadcopter that strikes a balance between stability and portability. Weighing in at 220 grams, it's lightweight and easy to carry. The remote control requires 3x 1.5 VAA batteries to be purchased separately. Additional features: cool night navigation lights, beauty shooting, real-time image transmission, gravity induction, trajectory flight, one-click takeoff and landing, app control, long-lasting endurance, MV production, headless mode, gesture photography. The V196 Pro drone offers an impressive array of features for its category, making it a compelling choice for hobbyists and beginners seeking a drone with advanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and a focus on intuitive control. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more drone and tech reviews, and comment below with your questions or favorite V196 Pro feature.